Here are the top 3 news stories today. Number 1. Iran's President Ebrahim Raisi was pronounced dead in a helicopter crash Sunday after a long search in the foggy weather. 9 people were in the helicopter, but no survivors were found during the search. Officials say the intense amount of fog could have played a key role in the crash. Number 2. The port of Baltimore is getting close to reopening after the Baltimore bridge collapse, which was caused by a cargo ship veering off course. This port is an important structure for over 30,000 commuters, so the sooner it gets reopened, the better for them. Number 3. The aerospace company Blue Origin launched 6 tourists to the edge of space, and it was a successful launch. At the climax of their height, they even experienced a few minutes of weightlessness and a gorgeous view of Earth.